In this lecture, we are going to overview the WordPress dashboard so we can get familiar with all the options available in WordPress dashboard. So first of all, let's log into our WordPress dashboard. For that, we will write /wp-admin right after our domain name. It will redirect us to the WordPress login screen where we will add the username and password we set while installation of WordPress and click on login. And now we are in our WordPress dashboard. As we can see, there are some options available in the left toolbar. So let's review all of the options one by one. So the very first one is home under dashboard, where we can see some quick shortcuts like add a new page, open site editor, edit style. Underneath we have some panels like site health status. It will notify us if any critical issue appear on website. Next we have at a glance. Under this we can see how many number of posts we have on website, as well as the number of pages, number of comments, and which theme is currently activated on our WordPress. Next we have an activity. Under this we can see the recent comments, like this is the recent comment and we have an access to approve it, reply on it, edit it, spam it or trash it. Next we have a quick draft panel. This is for saving some notes, like suddenly you get an idea and you want to save it, so you can write that thought or idea here and save it as a draft. Next we have WordPress events and news. Under this we get some notification regarding the events from WordPress. We can even drag and drop these panels to the new boxes and set the setting as we want. Next we have an update option. Under this we will see all the things needs to be updated. For example, the very first one is WordPress version, which is currently 6.0.2, which is the latest one. And next we have plugins, and next we have theme. So right now everything is updated. That's why we are not seeing any kind of notification. Next we have post. Under this we see all post articles we have in our site, like this hello world. This is a default post article, comes with the WordPress installation. For adding a new article, we always click on add new and start writing the content. We can also add a new article by clicking here from the left toolbar. Next we have categories. By clicking here, we can add categories to our WordPress website for our post. Let's suppose you are writing about current news under the categories of politics, health and food. So you can create these categories from here and start writing under these categories. Similar to categories, we can also create tags for our post articles. Next we have media. Under this tab, we see all assets uploaded on website like images, audios, videos, documents, etc. And by clicking on add new, we can select a file from our computer and upload into our WordPress website. We can upload a new asset from the left toolbar as well. Next we have pages. We see all pages here, and by clicking on add new, we can add a new page. We have this option in the left toolbar as well. Next we have comments. Under this tab we see all comments, like if you are a blogger or writing article on your website, and whenever your user post comment on any article, you will see that comment here with following option: approve, reply, quick edit, edit, spam and trash. Next we have an important option which is appearance. Under this we see all the themes currently we have in our WordPress website. 2022 theme is the default theme, comes with the default WordPress installation, and right now it's activated on our WordPress. For adding a new theme, we can simply click on add new, search for theme and activate in our WordPress. Next we have an editor, which is right now in beta mode, means right now it's in testing and developers are improving this option. In short, by using this option we can customize our website. Next we have plugins. Similar to the appearance, here we will see the list of plugins we will upload or activate in our website, and by clicking on add new, we can search for the plugin and add into our website. Next we have users. Here we will see the list of users working on the website. Right now I am the only admin of this site, that's why you can see only my profile. We can also add new users by clicking on add new and filling out the following details like username, email, first name, last name, website and password. And then finally, by selecting the role we want to grant, we can simply click on add new user, and then you will see that user in this list. Under this we have import and export. Using these options We can export pages, posts or media assets from any WordPress and can import to new WordPress. Then we have site health. We can see this from our WordPress dashboard as well. Next we have export personal data, erase personal data, theme file editor, plugin file editor. So these are something that we are not going to use in any lecture. Just for your information, by clicking on theme file editor and plugin file editor, you can access the code files of your theme and plugins. If we want to work within code, we will simply click on I understand and it will give us access to write code. Next we have settings. Under this we have some options through which we set the name of our website, the tagline of our website, as well as we set the language of our website and the permalinks of our website. So let's see all of them one by one. First, under journal we have site title. So site title is something appear in the tab or in the Google. Let's suppose if we open it in a new tab, you can see WP site for business.com. And next we have tagline WP site for business.com. We can see this is repeating again. So if I hover on, you can see WP site for business.com and then again WP site for business.com. So first this site title appears and then tagline appears. So next we have WordPress address, then site address, and then admin email. Then we have checkbox that we want users to register in our website or not. Then if we want them to register, then with what role: subscriber, contributor, author, editor, administrator. Then we can select the language of our WordPress. Let's suppose if you choose Afrikaans and click on update, it will convert your complete WordPress dashboard language to Afrikaans. So next we can set the time zone, then date format, then time format, and then week start on. These are some very normal settings that are not even compulsory to do. The important is just the site title and tagline. Next we have the writing. Under this we have nothing important like default post category, default post format. So what category you want to set as default. Right now we only have one category, which is uncategorized, so we cannot see any other category in the drop down. Next we have reading. Under this we decide what thing we want to set as the home page of our main site. Like with the default WordPress installation, your latest post appear as the home page for your website. But once we move forward and create a new page like home page, we will move it to the static page and then select that page from the drop down. Next we have blog pages show at most 10, then syndication feed show the most recent 10, then full text. So this is something not important for us right now. Next we have discussion. Under this tab you can decide whether you want your user to comment or not, whether they can make account in your website or not. So these are some minor checkboxes like attempt to notify any blog linked to from the post, allow link notification from other blogs, allow people to submit comments to a new post, comment author must fill out name and email. So these are some basic settings. Next we have media. Under this tab we decide the images sizes, like what's the thumbnail size, what's the medium size, and what's the large size. Next we have permalinks. This is very important. Under this tab we decide how we want our users to see our website links. Like let's suppose I create a post named as my new article. So in this format they will see numbers, in this format they will see date and then name of my post, and in this they will again see a year, then month, then post name. In this format they will see archive and then the numbers, and in this format they will see directly the name of that post right after our domain name. So next we have privacy. This is something related to the privacy of WordPress. And next we have collapse menu. By clicking on it we can close our WordPress. So this was everything we have in the left toolbar of our WordPress. As we move forward and start using theme and plugins, you will start seeing new options in the left toolbar. But for now, whenever you install a new WordPress, you will see all these options.